Fi'n teimlo'n gyfforddus, just sa'n meddwl na ni'n iawn o'r gyntaf, really.
So, hand under there, and then just the other hand here, and then force her head back and force it down, and then pick her up. This is where we'd start the shear. You can trim her feet.
Fi'n meddwl fi'n mynd i just fynd straight lawr y canol. Wedyn mae un da fi yn meddwl, ond sa'n mynd i weid pa un.
That's it, mate. Yeah, now pick her up too, that's it. Yeah, that was good. Grab it. That's it. Hand under the chin. Hand under, that's it. Well done, well, that's it, good. Oh, that's it, now pick it up. Oh, you do it.
Right, take the thing,
yeah.
really.
Turn her head right round. Lift her back legs off the ground. That's it, go on, you just lift. That's it, you got it now, haven't you?
Just want to stay there.
Dwi'n meddwl fydden nhw'n gofyn i'r housekeeper droi dafad, dwi'n meddwl, so dwi'n meddwl na i drio heddiw.
Fi'n mynd i mynd mewn fyna a trio cael gafel un o'r defaid a dyla fe lawr. Troi ar rownd a dyla fe lawr, so gewn ni weld os allan ni na nawr.
That's it, force it now. That's it, and then pick her front leg.
Oh, their heads are so heavy. Mae fe'n flinedig, mae'r waith caled. Mae pennau nhw'n drwm yn pwysol, lot fwy na beth nhw'n edrych. Ar un.
Da iawn, oedd nhw'n digon o guts, doedd? Ond dwi'n meddwl bod pawb sy'n mynd i fewn i'r Plas, dipyn o guts.